Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2018 Honda Pilot. This vehicle comes in black metallic paint with alloy rims. We have rear privacy tint as well as rear sunshades, black leather interior, as well as all-wheel drive. Now moving on to the interior of the Pilot, I'll walk you through a few of the driver's features, starting off with our door panel. You can see we have our chrome door handle, our rear and front window controls, rear window lock and unlock buttons. Below that we have our tailgate release and fuel filler cap release, storage and speaker. And on the side of the seat we have our power adjustable seats and power lumbar support. Off to the left of the steering wheel we have our power mirror adjustment with joystick, fuel economy mode, as well as our park assist, heated windshield as well as the lane departure warning, our traction control and front collision alert, our gauge cluster. On the steering wheel we have our cruise control, as well as down below that we have our controls for the odometer. On the left side we have our radio controls, heated steering wheel and phone controls. Steering wheel is wrapped in black leather. Then we have our start stop button, infotainment screen. Below that we have our dual zone climate controls, rear climate controls, as well as our DVD player for the rear. Heated seats, our two USB ports, as well as our 12-volt charging port and storage. Our gear select stalk, 2 cup holders and storage. The front seats are featured in black patent leather with our black leather armrests. And above the rear view mirror, we have our dome light settings, sunroof and moonroof controls, 3 garage door openers, as well as our sunglass holder that doubles as a rear mirror. Then we have our sunroof and moonroof overhead. Back onto the exterior of the Pilot, we can take a closer look at our alloy rims with Honda badge sensor caps. We also have rear privacy tint. And around to the back we have our Pilot badging, as well as all-wheel drive badging, power activated liftgate. Inside we can see plenty of storage, as well as the rear folded down seats. Off to the side we have our storage and cup holders, as well as at the rear a 12-volt charging port. Now moving on to the rear interior of the Pilot, we'll take a look at the rear door panel, which features a chrome door handle, cup holders, window switch, close handle, storage and speaker. Back of the front seats we have leather magazine holders, and back of the center console we have our vents, our rear climate controls and rear heated seats, and our inputs for the DVD player, which is located just overhead. We also have a remote that folds out, and then the DVD player that just comes down over top. We have a rear 60/40 split bench, also featured in black patent leather, with a fold-out center seat featuring 2 cup holders. And in the back we also have a rear 60/40 split bench. You can see in contrast to the folded down seat, we do have plenty of storage if we are only towing 5 passengers. And then we have the cup holders off to either side in the rear, as well as armrests. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2018 Honda Pilot. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.